I love looking at the neighbor's job when they do stuff. The weed spraying. And the idea of weed spraying would be to kill the weeds and grass underneath the tree where you can't run the mower. Now all that yellow grass there is that's that's what's dying from the weed killer. And then you tend to want to turn off the nozzles at the end of the rows, as well as actually kill what's under the tree, not kill what's next to the tree. That don't do you. You can mow out there where the yellow is, but you can't mow under there in that green stripe. So I don't really understand what the goal was here, but I don't think the person operating the equipment did either, apparently.